What is up, YouTube? I'm Michael, and behind the camera is Ellie. We are the Bill Paying Hobbyists. It's gift time in the TBPH household. This year, we're going to make some gardening tools for my mom and sister. We found this nice sturdy kit on woodcraft.com, and they're going to use these maple sticks to use for the handles. Ready? Give it a... Let's get to it. All right, here we are out in the garage. We're gonna get these maple chunks of wood cut for the handles for the garden set. I know I said I was gonna use the bandsaw, but that doesn't make any sense when I have a chop saw. We're going to turn our first handle for the garden tool set, and the first thing I need to do is find centers of my enormous blank. Do it just like we do the pen blanks. Keep it parallel, and right now I just want to make it round. So for this one, as it's spinning, I'm going to bring my roughing gouge up, and then I'm going to pull it in. I'm going to lift up the handle until I touch and start to cut, and then I'm going to rock back and forth just like I do everything else. So I'm going to find a nice comfortable position for the center, where I have this in the center, so that when I can rock this way, and I use my finger as a gauge. Again, all I'm doing is trying to get it round right now. And I'm going to turn this at about 1600. Still got one little flat spot right there. So there's the first handle, and we got the little bead on this end and the bead on that end. I think I did pretty good. So the next step is to drill the hole in this, and then I cut off the ends here. And then polish the bottom, because this will be the bottom, and a little bit of polish on the top. All right, so we got all these turned, got them shaped how we want them, and I need to cut these ends off before I drill the holes for the pieces to go into the handles. So I'm just going to use my flat saw and just cut them off. Now I gotta find the centers again. Should have drilled a pilot hole first. Okay, so I got everything set up. We got all these ready. We got the little indentation for the point to go in. I'm gonna use this paddle bit to drill the holes because that's the biggest bit I have. I'm gonna do that. And we're gonna drill a 3-inch hole, 3 inches to the bottom of the paddle. That's a big hole. Holes all drilled. Now we're gonna sand the little ends and then we'll get these epoxied in. No, we won't. We gotta get them finished. All right, we have the holes drilled. Now we need to just kind of square off the ends and get rid of these rough spots. So to do that, I'm just gonna use my backer plate, a 3/4 inch plywood, and it's got some Velcro on it, 120 grit sandpaper. Just gonna turn it on, put it at about 1,000 and just real quick, just clean it off. For these, they're gonna get dyed. And they're gonna get dyed the color, my sister's favorite color. And you're about to see her favorite color. Looks like black, but it's not. Purple. All right, so now it is time to epoxy these together. I'm gonna show you how I'm doing it on the shovel. And it's gonna take quite a bit of epoxy. I think I'm finally getting down how to do beads on turning pieces. These turned out great, and the purple is super vibrant. My sister will love these. We really do appreciate you sharing your time with us. If you're getting value from our projects, forward your way down to the subscribe button and give it a nice click. Please share with your family and friends and give us a thumbs up. In need for a handcrafted gift for someone in your life? Leave us a comment and we can work out the details. Please do something nice for a veteran today. See you next week. We love you. In need for a handcrafted, hesitation. In need. Wonder what I can make with this.